In the heart of the Indian Ocean lies an island larger than Germany, yet nearly forgotten by infrastructure. This is Madagascar, the Red Island, and if you think getting around here is simple, think again. These aren't roads, they're battlegrounds. Madagascar is one of the most biologically unique places on Earth, home to 25 million people and thousands of species found nowhere else. But outside its tourist routes lies a brutal reality: the RN5, a 200-kilometer strip of chaos that connects the city of Tuamasina with the remote northeast. It's one of the worst roads in the world, half jungle, half nightmare, and a full test of endurance. To survive the RN5, you don't just need a vehicle, you need spare parts, machetes, fuel, tools, and patience. Expedition leader: we brought two 4x4s, 3 days of food, and a mechanic who doesn't blink when axles snap. We're heading northeast. If nothing breaks, it'll take 3 days. But this road has other plans. Right away the road disappears into jungle. The earth here is iron-rich, giving Madagascar its famous red color, and turning to clay in the rain. The deeper we go, the slower it gets. Bridges aren't bridges, they're logs. Roads aren't paved, they're memories of a road. One mistake, and it's a long way down. So why is it like this? Madagascar ranks among the world's poorest countries. Over 80% of roads are unpaved. Add monsoons, erosion, corruption, and a lack of funding, and you get this. For travelers, it's an adventure. For locals, it's a lifeline that's falling apart. Malagasy woman: when it rains, we can't reach the hospital. If you're sick, you wait, or you walk. By day 2, the terrain escalates. Rivers with no bridges, roads that vanish into rice paddies. Our engine overheats. The second truck loses steering. Nothing here is built to last. You don't drive the RN5, you fight it. But just when the journey pushes you to your limit, Madagascar shows you its soul. You realize, you're not just on a rough road, you're in one of the most resilient, rich, and beautiful places on the planet. Local elder: we may not have roads, but we have spirit. The final stretch is the worst. Torrential rain hits, the track becomes a river. We snap a tow rope, the engine sputters, but we're too close to stop. After 3 days, 2 breakdowns, and countless obstacles, we arrive. This wasn't just a road, it was a window into another reality, where people face the impossible, every day, and keep going. Madagascar doesn't ask for sympathy, just understanding. Because here, the road is more than dirt and stone. It's life. Hard, raw, unforgettable. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe the world's toughest roads deserve to be seen. Next time, we're taking on the Himalayas.